In this video, I'll show you how to change a field order on your checkout page on your WooCommerce store in just a few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so as you can see, we're displaying the first name and last name first instead of the default email address first, okay? So throughout this video, I'm going to show you how you can add new fields and how you can rearrange the default fields on your checkout page. Okay, so throughout this video, I'll be using the all-in-one checkout plugin by WooSuite. So just head over to allinonecheckout.com and go ahead and download this particular plugin. I'll leave the link in the description below. And with that said, let's head over to our dashboard. Okay, so here we are in our dashboard. Assuming you've downloaded the all-in-one checkout plugin, the next step is just to go ahead and upload that plugin. So we'll go plugins, add new, go ahead and upload and install the plugin. Once you've done so, you'll see this WooSuite menu here. Go ahead and click activate to activate your license key. Once you've done so, it'll automatically redirect you to this add-ons section. Okay, whilst on this section, we'll just scroll down and we'll go ahead and enable the all-in-one checkout plugin. So I've got the free version and the pro version. So we just want to make sure we've got both active. Okay, so with that out of the way, let's navigate to AIO Checkout, okay, for all-in-one checkout. Okay, so now the first thing we want to do is actually go ahead and create a new checkout form. So we'll just click create new checkout. By default, you'll see the default WooCommerce billing fields, shipping fields, then we've got the order summary, shipping methods, and payment methods, okay? So if you wanted to rearrange a field, we can just drag and drop it just like this, okay? And then that will rearrange the field. If you want to add new field to your checkout, just click this settings icon here. Go ahead and drag and drop the particular field in which you want to add to your checkout. For example, we can add this URL field. Let's enable this company field as well. And then we can just navigate to design. We can select a design, so we can choose our theme default design, or we can choose one of our custom design. It's totally up to you. There'll be more designs added in the future as well. So I'm just going to select this one here. Let's navigate to settings. Let's enable this checkout. Let's set it as our global checkout, meaning it will display for all customers, right? So we can say, okay, for the slug, we'll leave it blank. It will automatically generate one for us. And then where it says applies to, we'll leave this to everyone. We can select a particular customer role, a particular user, or even guest users, which are users logged out of our site. But in this case, I'm just going to select everyone. We can customize the place order button, okay? And we can automatically close this checkout based on two different criteria. So when a specific number of orders are met, or after a specific date, okay, and then we've got enable address autocomplete. So I'm going to enable this option here, and I'll leave a link in the description and on screen to a more in-depth video showing you how to utilize this particular feature here. Okay, so let's just hit save changes. Okay, and now when we view our shop page, okay, let's navigate to our checkout page. Okay, and here you can see we've got the first name, company, URL, and then these other fields here, okay? And that's a quick and simple way to rearrange the fields on your checkout page in just a few simple steps. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box below or reach out to support and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.